This video is about how to create a Clubhouse account. Now, after launching your Clubhouse app, you need to tap this welcome button, then enter your phone number, and then you put the code you receive from Clubhouse. The next thing is to enter your full name, then confirm your username and enter your age, and also upload your profile photo. And after that, you can allow the system to find your friends, then choose your favorite topics and add some clubs you might like, and also follow more friends, and your Clubhouse account will be ready. And from there, you can go on to edit your profile and finish setting up your account. You can also add and verify your email, share your account, view your replays, and make some more settings. And after that, you can start creating your clubs, rooms, and events. And above here, you can view your chats and activity and also invite more friends. And below here, you can search for everything on Clubhouse and also view your upcoming events. And to create another Clubhouse account, you need first to log out of your existing account, then use a different phone number to create a new account. And to delete your Clubhouse account, you need to go to settings, then tap your account above here and go on to deactivate your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Clubhouse and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.